Okay! Casper's cycling! On his own!
What genius!
I don't even do
Wow! You rock! That's brilliant! Blimey, that was quick. Oh, I nearly fell off the curb.
He did it a couple of times and then suddenly he said, "Leave it, Daddy, I want to do it alone."
Yeah. Wow.
Nina, so clever. Wow.
His dad is very proud.
Well done, Daddy and Casper.
I got myself to cycle.
Hey, Casper, what do you think about the fact that you can ride your